So who likes caramel apples?
Love caramel apples.
I love caramel apples.
I've never made them though.
Well, I've made them a couple times, but it's been a long time ago. So
Never made 'em.
I came across this recipe on Pinterest, and my husband loves candied apples. I'm not big on the candied apples because it gets into
The
my
red
teeth.
ones? Yeah, I know.
Yeah, too much. But he also loves caramel apples. So I
Okay.
thought, let's try to do a caramel apple.
And this is called a rustic honey caramel apple, right?
Correct.
Okay. So,
All right, so we are going to be adding this on here.
we've got our apples and we've got little sticks.
Okay.
And we're going to start with 1 1/4 cup of honey. It's a lot of honey.
It's a lot of honey.
And 3/4 cup of our heavy cream. So that's what we're going to start with. And then just a ½ teaspoon of our sea salt. And we're going to bring this mixture to a boil. So that's all the ingredients that is in here. So we're going to bring it to a boil.
Okay.
And then after it boils, and it says it's gonna like almost quadruple in size. So, you know, we're using a bigger pan than what you'd think you need based on the ingredient.
Because I was looking at this thinking, okay, our apples are not going to be dipped, but it's going to grow.
It's gonna grow.
Okay.
At least by 4 times.
All right.
Says the recipe.
And do you want to show them
Yeah.
how we did our little
Yeah.
sticks here?
So basically, we took these apples and just poked, we just have like a sharp little toothpick type thing, poked a hole down in them. And then you just got your stick. And you're gonna put it down in there. Now, what they showed us on the picture was super cute. They use like a little twig from outside.
Right.
We didn't get that accomplished. We didn't get any twigs.
Well,
but
I did ask you to go out and pick up sticks.
no,
She didn't want
that's
to.
your job.
And she didn't want
You
to.
could have done that on the way down. So we're using these little candy sticks, but you could use a cute little twig. That'd be kind of fun as well. So,
All right. Okay. We're going to let this come to a boil.
okay. A watched pot never boils, don't you know?
Look how that more than doubled in size.
Look how pretty that looks. Oh my gosh, it looks
It looks so good.
delicious caramel. All right, so we brought it to 260 degrees with a candy thermometer.
Okay.
It's looking perfect.
So we're just going to, I'm gonna let you dip. How about that?
What?
I know.
All right.
I'm gonna tilt
All right.
while you dip.
Okay. This is exciting. Okay.
So they say, you're gonna just pull up straight up.
Okay.
Just let it drip for a minute. Look at that.
Is that good? Oh my gosh, look how pretty that looks.
That looks absolutely beautiful.
Okay, so I've got my pan lined with some parchment.
Mhm.
Oh my gosh, that looks,
So they tell you to go ahead and dip and then wait probably another 20 minutes and then you can re-dip if you want.
okay, just get a little extra layer.
To get a little extra layer, and then you can add some toppings if you want. So I've got like some vegan chips and some little like chocolate crispies that you could put on there.
Okay. Oh, are we gonna do that?
Well, I mean, I think we should.
Yeah, that's kind of fun. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is this is shockingly easy. I have never made these because I just think, you know, they would be hard.
Well, sure.
But if you've got a candy thermometer, they're not hard.
And you can get a candy thermometer at the grocery store.
Or Walmart, right?
Yeah.
Anywhere. Okay. I had one. I'm so proud of myself. I've had it and I've never used it.
I know, mine was broken.
So
Actually, I had 2 that were broken.
I just had it in the packaging. Okay. 2 more to go here.
Mm-hmm.
Is it? Oh, sorry. Let me speed up the process, my friend. Let me speed up the process. You can't rush perfection, Jill.
No, you can't.
Cannot rush perfection. This caramel is hot, so And the pan is hot.
The pot is very hot.
Okay. So we still have a little bit of caramel in there. So I mean, we could re-dip them if we choose to. But let's say we don't choose to. We're just gonna let these cool for how long?
It says, you know, for about 20 minutes.
About 20 minutes? Okay. So, oh, I can smell the honey. This is gonna be so different than like your normal
And
caramel
actually,
apple.
it's better for you, right? Because
Yeah.
you're not
Oh,
using
absolutely.
you're not using, you know,
White sugar.
White
Yeah,
sugar.
you're using honey and so the honey, the cream, and the salt. Yeah.
That's it.
Excited.
Not bad. Okay.
All right.
So do us a favor, if you try these out, make sure you leave a comment and let us know what you thought and if they worked out for you. And that's it. So try something new. Something
Yeah,
different.
just something different. I mean, they're so easy. Like, I've been scared of them all these years because I thought it'd be so hard, and that was nothing at all.
Yep.
Super simple, super cheap. So,
Yeah, and delicious.
yeah. Happy Halloween. Give them a
Happy
try.
Halloween.